Alongside most countries celebrate New Year on January 1st on the Gregorian calendar.
Alongside my Eastern Orthodox brothers celebrate New Year on January 14th on the Gregorian calendar. This is because we traditionally use the Julian calendar. За нас.
I follow the Vikram Samvat calendar, which makes the date of the Hindu New Year vary between March to April on the Gregorian calendar.
Dewan calendar was made as Kiran Singawatod Hitchoing calendar, but it has Shirday Monjis instead of duo. And so when young can get told Gregorian calendar, Ethiopian New Year falls on September 11th. Hanwes it's a web here in Muhik above on September 12th.
Vilat